Alright, this is gonna be an update video. I moved the cab from where it was previous place. Now I'm working on taking off all these rocker panels and inner rocker panel. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And for the frame, it's gonna have to wait a while. Still got my chassis frame stiffener kit. That's the only thing I'm waiting on. And then the C-notch. But other than that, I got the tubular control arms, disc brakes, airbags, and also gonna relocate the shocks to fit with the big C-notch. So as I was cutting away, I was gonna have to get a new piece for this. Cut this out. Same thing for the inner rocker kick panel. Cut a piece right there. On this side, it's not as bad, but it's still gonna need work. A couple little holes right there. Cab corners are all good. And for here, probably gonna have to get a high sump floor pan. I don't know what it's called, but basically I'm gonna put 6 feet in here. So this is gonna get cut out either way, so I'm not really worried about it. Took out the heater core. I'm going to fix this radio panel. Took the glass out last night. Not serious rust right there. I'm gonna clean up the firewall, paint it black. Everything seems better than the other one. Alright, so got the old one out, new one in, just mocked it up just to see. I'm gonna have to fix this lower piece so there's nothing in it. But other than that, just needs to massage it in a little bit. Still gotta fix that back rocker. Big holes. It's just this side. It's just in the whole piece. So I'm gonna have to order new ones. Same thing for the other side. Probably same thing. So right now, I'm fixing to get started on this side. Just hitting it with the air chisel. I don't have a cutting wheel right now, I just have a grinder, but air chisel's doing it, just cutting it up, just like paper. This side, it's not as bad, but it's still gonna need to be replaced. I think the more I dig into it, it's gonna need more work, but it's whatever. So here's where it's at right now. The air chisel makes it much easier than just using a cutting wheel. The more I cut, the more it shows how much little rust holes it has. The inner rocker is actually pretty good. Better than the other one, but still gonna replace it. So this too. Just gotta get that out. Alright, so it's another day cutting up the cab. I got the inner rocker panels from Summit Racing right here. Got for both sides, and then an order from LMC, the left side outer rocker, and then this part right here. I don't know the name of it, but also I'm just cutting this up right here just to get it ready. Also going to buy probably inner side of this. So right now I'm just cutting. Got the wheel cutter. So I'm gonna keep it nice and simple. Not gonna try to make this a long video. So I already cut the main piece I'm cutting up. Just gonna grind this nice and straight. And then as I was looking underneath here, there's a hole. They basically just threw this on and patched it up. So I have to order a whole piece right here. See that? Now for the other side. For this side, I'm not gonna have to cut as much as the other one, but probably gonna have to find a little piece and just cut this out. And then I think I'm gonna cut from right here to right here, because this side is not as bad as the other one. And then I'm just going to straighten this with a hammer or some pliers. And then I'm probably going to have to order another piece for the back, because this side seen better days. Same for right here. So this one's done. Came out much cleaner than the other side, more straight. Now, I guess I don't know if that's gonna be it for today, but I'm gonna have to order, new pieces for that, and the other side as well. Trying to think what else would I have to order.